How to insert images into PDF using Preview on Mac. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So the easiest way to do this is the clipboard bypass. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your target image file which inside Preview. So I'm just going to open up this one right here. So I'm going to right click, make sure it's opening up with Preview. Then what I want to do is once it's open, go ahead and press Command A to highlight everything, and then Command C. And that's going to basically copy it. Now what I want to do is open up my PDF inside of the preview. So I'm going to right click it again, go to open with, and then go over to preview. Now what I want to go ahead and do is just press Command V, and then that's it. It's going to be able to paste within my PDF as long as you're in preview, and then you should be good to go. Now, well, you can just resize and position it or anything like that as well. And you can even just go ahead, like if I, go over to the second preview pane, like so. So I'm just going to go ahead and Command A, Command C, go over to this one, and then I can press Command V to copy and paste it. And yeah, it's as simple as that.